Hey y'all, what's up? Just thinking about you guys and thinking about if you know how to add and subtract matrices with scalar multiplication, and just kind of thinking maybe you don't. So do a quick lesson for you guys today. That's our one job. We're going to still add and subtract, but we're going to do that with something called a scalar multiplication. So the other thing is I've been researching a lot of YouTubers because I feel like we're kind of homies now. We're together. We're a clan, and they do some different things. So we're maybe try that. They do a little day in the life and kind of do whatever. So this is gonna be my version of it. We're gonna walk around a little bit while we do scalar multiplication. So, anyways, here we go. First thing. Want to make sure that that you know is if we are going to multiply a matrix by a number, it is called a scalar. Okay, and to find the product of a scalar and a matrix, or scalar product, what you got to do is you multiply the matrix by that number. And when we say multiply the matrix, you're going to multiply everything in the matrix here. So just give you a little heads up here. We're in the kitchen. Looks like we're doing some dishes. There's the Mi Familia. You guys wave. You guys want to learn about scalar multiplication? No. Okay, we'll move on. So anyways, here's what we do. We take this matrix, we multiply everything by the number in front of it. When we say everything, we mean all the entries or all the elements. So we're going to multiply 1, 4, -2, and 3 by all of by 2. So multiply each one. And notice, you guys, same dimensions, doesn't change the dimensions at all. When we multiply by a scalar, it preserves the dimensions. All you do is you multiply all of the entries by it. Pretty straightforward. Now, if you have something like this, where it's 2a minus 3c, what you have to do before you can do the subtraction, you have to do the scalars first. So you're going to take this first matrix and double everything. So we'll just rewrite that here. So it's going to be 8. This is going to be minus 6, minus 4, 20. I'm going to draw my brackets around it. I'm going to do the same with this next one. I'm going to do the scalar multiplication first. Basically multiply all the entries by 3. So here's going to be 9, 6, 0, negative 27. Okay, now we are ready to do the subtraction. So just a couple of reminders when we subtract. I'll let you guys finish this one out. But when we subtract the entries that have the same address. So it would be 8 minus 9. It's going to be minus 1. And by the way, our end result is the exact same dimension. It's going to be a 2 by 2. And we just keep going on. Minus 4, minus 6. That's minus 10. Be careful of the dreaded double negative. Minus 6, minus 0. That's minus 6. I said I'd let you do this, but this is just too fun. 20 minus a minus 27. Ooh, the double negative. So that is 47. Voila, we're done. One more little piece here. What if we have a scalar multiplication where it's just a negative sign in front of it? No big deal. That just means you change the sign, or you multiply each of these entries by -1. Here, if you multiply all these entries by a half, that makes these all half as big. And then what we got to do is we add. So I'll let you finish that one up. That's it, you guys. Just giving you a little day in the life. Not much going on outside here. If you can take a peek, piano room's empty. We're definitely in the house. We're not moving around too much, and yeah, hope you guys are all well. And what do I got to say? Yeah, one last thing. Hope, or first of all, stay clean, my friends. Wash your hands, disinfect your phones, and most importantly, be kind.